Hello everyone. Uh, this is Amos here, and welcome once again to Life with Amos. So today I'm wearing an AC Milan jersey. I do love. I do love uh, football. So today I'm rocking in an AC Milan jersey. Mm, You know, I'm rocking in an AC Milan jersey. So guys, as you can see, as usual, in my favorite places here, as you can see there. And as always, uh, can you hear that bird? Let me just keep quiet for some minutes so that you can hear those birds. That noise comes from that forest there. The birds are so happy. Can you hear those birds? They give a calm voice. Not a calm voice, a calm mind. So that is it. So as I was saying, I do normally love football. So if there is any way you can actually surprise me, it's just to buy me a football jersey. That is one of the best ways you can surprise me. So yeah. So guys, if you are just watching Amos here for the first time, you go subscribe, because by subscribing it's just easy. It doesn't require much energy, you know and it is also for free for you to subscribe. you know It just requires you just, just a second of your time to hit that subscription button. So guys, do you see that? Uh, so I'm now just about to end my video. So guys, can you see that boy? He is riding a bicycle. So guys, go subscribe and share the love.